What's up, young pool? Welcome back to another RIMAN Days. One of the most important practices I often promote to truly see the results of your RIMAN ritual is consistency. But sometimes one of the greatest hindrances to staying consistent is travel. It's hard to take larger bottles on the go, or there might not be miniatures of the products you typically use, but not anymore. For today's RIMAN Days, I have the pleasure of showcasing our all new travel kits, which have been designed around our core RIMAN rituals. So first, we have the expert ritual, and if you look inside, there are 2 mesh pockets and tons of space should you wish to include other travel essentials. But in here, you get miniature versions of the active cleanup powder, the calming balance gel, the V10 oil mist, both the booster and the serum from the Dermatology First Package EX, the active cream, and the daily aqua BB. And if you're somebody that instead follows the advanced RIMAN ritual, there's a kit for you, the Radiance 100 Ritual Travel Kit. In here, you get an active cleanup powder and a daily aqua BB, but you also get miniatures of the 3 Radiance products, and look how cute they are. And lastly, if you're somebody that follows both rituals or you simply want choices when you're on the go, we now have the ultimate travel kit. And so in here, you get all of the products that are in the expert ritual kit, as well as the 3 Radiance miniatures. And these travel kits truly allow you to maintain that RIMAN glow on the go. And they're available in July, so stay tuned to see how you can get your hands on them. But that's it for today's RIMAN Days. I will talk to you all next week. See you then. What's up, young pool? Welcome back to a